Hi, I'm Shonit. Welcome to Logiqa. Alexander is experimenting with a recipe for sangria. He completely fills a glass with wine, rum, and orange juice in a 2:1:3 ratio. After drinking a fifth of this mixture, he adds wine and rum in a 2:1 ratio to fill the glass completely once again. What is the final wine is to rum is to juice ratio? Note, the liquids always mix perfectly. If you would like to solve the question on your own, please pause the video. If you'd like to see our solution, please continue watching. The initial ratio is 2:1:3. This means there are a total of 6 parts. So we can start by assuming that the glass holds 60 ml. Initially, 20 ml of this is wine, 10 ml is rum, and 30 ml is juice. After drinking a fifth of this glass, 48 ml remains. In this, 16 ml is wine, 8 ml is rum, and 24 ml is juice, and 12 ml of the glass is empty. In the 12 ml he adds 8 ml is wine and 4 ml is rum. Therefore, in the final mixture, 24 ml is wine, 12 ml is rum, and 24 ml is juice. Therefore, the final mixture has wine, rum, and juice in a 2:1:2 ratio. Let us know how you solve the question in the comments below. Please support us by liking and sharing the video. You can also subscribe to our channel for regular alerts. And finally, a big thank you for watching.